Are Maytag dishwashers any good?
Kenmore gets top marks from Consumer Reports for conventional dishwasher.
I'd be happy with third place.
Maytag dishwashers are in the middle of Consumer Reports ratings. One MD-something model was 26th, while the next best Maytag model was 62nd.
That's a pretty wide range.
A Smeg dishwasher rated better than the second best Maytag model.
I've never even heard of the brand.
Bosch and Kenmore dominate the top ratings by Consumer Reports. The best buy was a Bosch.
So where does that leave me if I want to get a Maytag?
They aren't bad, per se. Fagor, though, was the only one to get a do not buy notice.
Which brands were rated worst?
Amana had the two worst models, but all the worst models were $500 or less.
I wonder whether you get what you pay for in terms of quality.
You can get a good dishwasher for $600. A fancy dishwasher with hidden controls, a display that shows the remaining time and futuristic red laser light and special cycles can approach $2,000.
If I want a fancy red dynamic display, I'll spend $40 on a clock that displays the time on the really fast pendulum that looks like it isn't there.
If you want a Maytag dishwasher, go ahead and get one. Their performance is average while the prices are decent. In fact, their $380 dishwasher is average performance.
What about energy efficiency relative to dishwashing ability?
Maytag washers are good at using less energy while still doing a decent job cleaning your dishes. And they get points for having enough room for all your silverware and a self-cleaning filter.
I've never heard of a self-cleaning filter.
Let's just say you don't want to have to clean the dishwasher filter. Clearing out the clogged drain is nasty enough as it is.